In this video, we will cover 5 AI skills that can help you get hired in 2026 or many years to come. These skills will help you grow faster in your career and stay ahead while the job market is changing. Here is the truth. AI is no longer just a technology trend, it is becoming a career skill. Do you know World Economic Forum's Future of Job Report 2025 says that 39% of workers' core skills are expected to change by 2030? McKinsey, which is one of the world's oldest, largest, and most influential global management consulting firm, also reported that 65% of organizations were regularly using generative AI in at least one business function in 2024. So companies are not just talking about AI anymore, they are actually using them. Folks, my name is Imran Afzal, and I have helped thousands of people land the job of their dreams. I provide IT career coaching, corporate upskillings, and AI productivity workshops to help professionals and companies build the real IT and AI skills faster. All right, let's talk about 5 AI skills that can help you stand out in 2026 and many years to come from 2026 onward. The first skill is AI-assisted coding. So there was a time when you had to know a programming language very deeply before you could build anything. You had to take a lot of classes while you were in college or take coding workshop and so on, right? Of course, programming knowledge is still very valuable. Don't get me wrong. But today, AI tools can help you write, debug, explain the code, and build simple applications much faster. Tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Replit, and Claude Code are changing how coding is done. Even if you are not a full-time developer, learning how to use AI for coding can help you build scripts, automate tasks, create small applications, troubleshoot errors, and understand technical work a lot better. Let me give you my own example. I have worked in IT for almost 25 years, and for a long time I was always a little afraid of coding. I understood systems, Linux, troubleshooting, networking, and infrastructure, but coding always felt like a different world to me. But now, with the help of AI, that fear is gone. I can ask AI to help me understand code, write a bash script, create a PowerShell command, troubleshoot an error, or even explain what a script is doing line by line. This does not mean I blindly copy paste everything AI gives me. You should never do that. AI has made coding much easier to approach. It helps you learn, test, improve, and build confidence. So even if you are not an IT person, these tools can help you design your own app or build your website. Okay, let's talk about the second skill, that is AI for sales and customer outreach. Sales is not just about making calls anymore. Today, sales teams use AI to research leads, write personalized emails, summarize customer conversation, update CRM systems, and follow up automatically. Think about a sales rep using Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho. Instead of spending hours manually entering notes, AI can summarize the meetings, update the customer record, suggest the next step, and even draft a follow-up email. In the US, companies are always looking for people who can bring in revenue. So if you understand sales and also know how to use AI tools to improve lead generation, outreach, CRM updates, and follow-ups, you become a much more valuable. This is not only for salespeople, consultants, coaches, real estate agents, recruiters, and business owners can all benefit from AI-powered outreach. All right, let's talk about the third skill, and that is AI marketing and content creation. Marketing has changed completely. Companies need blogs, emails, ads, posts, YouTube scripts, thumbnails, short videos, and newsletters, right? AI can help create all of this faster. But the real skill is not just pressing a button and copy pasting. The real skill is knowing the audience, the brand, the voice, the offer, and the message. Anyone can ask AI to write a paragraph, but a skilled professional knows how to guide AI, edit the output, improve the message, and make it sound, of course, human. AI image and video tools are also becoming very important. Tools like Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, Runway, and CapCut AI can help generate graphics, ads, thumbnails, and short-form videos. For example, a local business in New York can create social media ads a lot faster. A course creator like myself can create better thumbnails. A corporate trainer can create better presentation visuals. A marketing assistant can create campaigns draft in minutes instead of hours. Now here's a fun fact. I practice exactly what I preach. Even as I was preparing this very video to show you how AI is changing the world, I had my own AI assistant sweating in the background, digging up the data and verifying the statistics. So let's be real. The internet has enough gurus giving you their uneducated opinions. I wanted to give you undeniable, cold, hard value. So yes, this video itself is a living proof of AI collaboration. I use it to filter out the noise so that every single stat I share with you today is pure gold. All right, let's move on to the fourth skill, and that is AI search and answer engine optimization, also known as AEO. Now, for years, companies focus on SEO, which means search engine optimization. I'm sure you have heard of that. The goal was to appear on Google or any search engine when people search for something. But now people also asking ChatGPT, Gemini, or other generative chatbots for answers. Instead of clicking 10 links from a search engine, users may simply ask, what is the best Linux course for beginners? And you never know, you might end up getting my bestseller Linux course. This creates a new opportunity. Companies now need people who understand how content appear in AI generative answers. That is where AEO comes in. It means creating helpful, trusted, well-structured content that AI tools can understand, summarize, and recommend. This is a huge opportunity for content writers, SEOs professionals, marketers, bloggers, instructors, and business owners. If you understand both SEO and AI search, or AEO, you will be ahead of many people. To back this up, a recent study by marketing research giant Ahrefs found that Google's AI overviews have resulted in a staggering 58% lower click-through rate for top-ranking organic pages, essentially cutting traditional web traffic into half. Furthermore, data from Gartner confirms this massive behavioral shift, predicting a total 25% drop in traditional search engine volumes as billions of daily queries migrates entirely to AI chatbots and virtual assistant. The data is clear, folks. The internet is shifting from a directory of links to an engine of answers. And learning AEO is the only way to ensure your brand is the one being recommended. All right, the fifth skill is AI agents and automation. This may be one of the biggest opportunities here. Many tasks at work are repetitive. You receive emails, sort them, summarize them, also update them, and then you also have spreadsheet. You send reminders, tickets, follow up with customers, and move data from one system to another. AI automation tools can help with these tasks. Now, tools like Zapier, Make.com, N8N, Microsoft Power Automate, LangChain, and Crew AI can help create workflows that save time. For example, a company can automate invoice processing. A recruiter can automate candidate follow-ups. An IT team can automate ticket summaries. A manager can automate weekly reports, and same way, a business owner can automate lead captures and customer replies. This is why AI automation is such a valuable skill. Companies do not just want people who know AI theory. They want people who can save time, reduce manual work, and improve the productivity. So now the big question is, how do you start? So do not try to learn everything at once. Pick one skill, one tool. Maybe AI assisted coding, AI marketing, or AI automation. Spend 30 minutes every day learning it. Watch tutorials, take a short course, practice with the real tools, and build small projects. You can even ask ChatGPT to help you learn that specific tool. Your goal is not just to say, I know AI. Your goal is to show proof. Create a portfolio, show an automation workflow, show a sample AI-powered marketing campaign, show a small app you built with AI, or show how you use AI to save time or solve a real problem. Because once you have all these proof, your resume will stand out, or it might scream. Remember this, the future belongs to people who keep learning, keep adapting, and use technology to solve real problems. So folks, if you learned anything from this video, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together.